Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this barcode scanner, this Android phone barcode scanner that this brand sent to me for this video. And why is that I have so many boxes here? Because I'm going to actually show you how fast this one is with the Zebra scanner that goes super fast on scanning. I have tons of barcodes right here that I can't show you on camera, but in this box, you're going to find your phone, which is going to be an Android phone, 6 inches screen, which actually really big, I have to say. It's all rugged, it's all indestructible almost. So this is going to be for your work site. You know, this is going to be for you being outside on the field, working, just scanning on a warehouse, on, I don't know, like a company or something like that. You will be scanning all day, and you want to make sure that if this one falls or something like that, it will be easy to just make sure that it doesn't break. It has a 7,000 milliamp hours battery inside, so it's going to give you enough juice, and it can fast charge in about 1 hour with the proper USB-C cable. So make sure that you have at least a 15 or 18 watts kind of like charger. A 22.5 watts charger is going to be ideal for that max kind of like max fast charging, of course. But also this one comes with 4 gigabytes upgradable to 16 gigabytes, and also it comes with Android 14 that you can upgrade it to 18. So this one's going to give you enough time to actually work with that Android 14 until we get the 18. That is just fantastic. It's not super heavy. You know that this one tends to be a little bit heavy, but right now it's finishing charging with fast charge, and it comes with a Gorilla Glass kind of like protector right here, a cover for the kind of like the display, the screen. Also, this one is 100% waterproof, so you will have no issues if you are working with this outside in the rain. Again, you're gonna find also the instruction manual, which is gonna have like a comprehensive read of how it works and how to use it. But once that you install the software, you will have that Zebra scanner that is gonna go super fast. You have this strap right here, as well as this one, just to use it on the palm of your hand like this, for example. But also, I do like to say that comes with everything you need right here for making sure that you can just put this one on the palm of your hand. 13 megapixel camera also, because this one you can put a SIM card and use it as a phone. Doesn't matter if you are using the scanner or not, you can use it as a phone. So that 13 megapixel camera, it's also a must have. So when I unplug it right now, I'm gonna unlock it just like that. You put your regular pin, and it's all set. You will have the buttons right here on the side for the scanner. You also have the on and off, volume up and down, and also you have this USB-C port right here protected for that rain that I was just telling you before. I can show you the barcodes, but I can show you that this one, just check this out, just like this. You can see how this one gets that Zebra scanner working right away, and that's it. Oh, I have the volume down, so I'm gonna put the volume up just like this so you can hear how this one scans at least. But again, just make sure that you understand that I can't show you any kind of like any barcodes, because my video can get rejected. I have one right here, boom. I have one right here, boom. I have one right here, boom. And one more time right here. Actually, let's test something really good. This one is inverted. Read it, no issue at all. Super fast, like this one right here, reads. This is incomplete, reads. And one more time, this one reads, super incomplete. I mean, it's just so fast. And you can have that software just like logging in all the barcodes, or you can just have them to look on that software as well if you need to look for that barcode specifically, or you can actually do it on Google as well. Again, it's so fast. One over and over and over, it will read super fast, no issues with that Zebra scanner that I was just telling you before. This is a really good phone, powerful, good camera, good battery, and also the Zebra scanner that goes super fast. Also, it's comfy on your palm of your hand, 6 inches, high definition. This is everything you need for that daily barcode scanning work, or of course, that warehouse management.